Hi, I'm Craig, and welcome back to another on-the-road video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Today, we'll take a look at this Whirlpool freestanding electric range. We'll show you how to test, remove, and replace your thermal fuse. To begin, let's get to the back of the unit. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. The tools you will need for this repair are a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers, and a voltmeter. With the unit turned around, what we need to do is remove this bottom middle panel. It is held on by 2 Phillips screws. After you have removed these, slide down and pull out and set it aside. Next, remove the top panel by taking out all of the Phillips screws around the perimeter. Our last screw, hold on to the plate so it doesn't fall. Carefully pull out from the bottom and slide down and set it aside. With the panels removed, we now have clear access to our thermal fuse. Now please be advised that if you have a bad thermal fuse, there's typically a reason for this fuse to pop. If an element is shorting out, or maybe the relay on the control board is stuck sending constant power to one of the elements, it will cause the unit to overheat and pop this safety fuse. To test it, first, remove the terminals gently. Next, we will set our meter to ohms. I am going to use an audible tone, so if the fuse is good, you should hear a sound showing that it is good. This fuse is testing out good, but today we will show you how to replace it. Remove the Phillips screw that is holding it on and set it aside. To install your new fuse, remember the position that it came off. Hold the screw in and tighten it. It should be at a slight angle. Reinstall your wires. Now we can reinstall our back plates. When reinstalling your top panel, first, very carefully, is extremely sharp, slide it in at an angle, and the middle should go underneath these slotted areas. You may have to wiggle it around a little bit to get it perfect. Hold it and reinstall your first screw. Once this is installed, go to the other side, line it up, and reinstall our second screw. Now, go around the perimeter and reinstall the others. Now we can reinstall our bottom plate. When reinstalling your back cover, you'll notice it does have these 4 tabs that correspond with the notches in the back. Slide them in. Once all 4 are in, push up and reinstall the 2 bottom screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com.